why it's called a certain time of the year, and it's called winter. Um, Maybe it's because the sun is in a shadowed part of the universe, of the galaxy. It kind of turns and gets shadowed, so it's not as much heat coming through to Earth as it should be. I've been trying to figure that out. Why it's cold a certain time of the year. And icy. It could be near the ozone layer, which had the hole in it as well. That's the only two things I can think of that the sun might turn a certain way every year. So, common sense is that if the planet is turning, the galaxy is turning, the universe is turning, then that means the solar sun is turning as well. So it's like a time clock inside the clock. It's like the machine inside the clock. Each one of those little gadgets are turning to make it turn that time and make that second, that minute, and that hour. So my answer would be that the sun is shadowed at a certain time of the year. And if we happen to be in a haze that puts us in a time warp, then that cold could happen earlier or later, bringing blizzards and stuff like that. It could be freezing. It could be the middle of summer. Depends on how far it turns. So if the sun turns too far, then it's going to be in the middle of summer that it's going to storm. An ice storm. And it will be warm in the winter. Which also explains the biblical sense of the changing seasons. The sun moving to a certain part of the universe that shadows it. Anyway, this is Tammy. So stuff will be met birth, Royce by identification card only. That's the only thing I can think of.